Okay, so there is a new update at Tesla car. It's on December 5, 2024. There is a new update. That's Tesla Vision update, replacing ultrasonic sensors with Tesla Vision. Okay, they replaced their ultrasonic sensors. Ultrasonic sound, ultrasonic sensors with Tesla Vision. Okay, so here written that safety is at the core of our design and engineering decisions. In 2021, we began our transition to Tesla Vision by removing radar from Model 3 and Model Y, followed by Model S and Model X in 2022. Today, in most regions around the globe, these vehicles now rely on Tesla Vision, our camera-based autopilot system. Okay, this is a camera-based autopilot system. Okay, they replaced their ultrasonic sensors and they now used in new model a camera-based autopilot systems. Okay, since launch, we have continued to make incremental improvements in both features, parity, and safety. Okay, for safety and parity, they improve many incremental, many manufacturing improvements they are taking compared to radar equipped vehicles. Model 3 and Model Y with Tesla Vision have either maintained or improved their active safety ratings in the US and Europe and performs better in pedestrian automatic emergency braking intervention. In 2022, they took the next step in Tesla Vision by removing ultrasonic sensors from Model 3 and Model Y. Most global markets followed by all Model S and Model X in 2023. Along with the removal of USS, we simultaneously launched our vision-based occupancy network, currently used in full self-driving supervised to replace the input generated by USS with today's software. This approach gives autopilot high definition spatial positioning, longer range visibility, and ability to identify and differentiate between objects. As with many Tesla features, our occupancy network will continue to improve rapidly over time. Given the incremental improvements already achieved with Tesla Vision and our roadmap of future autopilot improvements and ability, we are confident that this is the best strategy for the future of autopilot and the safety of our customers. Okay, so they replace ultrasonic sensors with Tesla Vision. Okay, they are their Tesla Vision technology is the new features. They are improved their new cars with this Tesla Vision technology. That's the autopilot based system. Autopilot means the car is autopiloting own self. Okay, so you can see their new technology autopilot system in their upcoming cars. So Tesla is just updating their new model. Okay, so it's an update from Tesla car at December 5, 2024. Okay, you can write comments on their new updates of their car. Like my videos, subscribe my videos, and comment and share with this new update with your friends and colleagues. And okay, thank you.